Welcome back to AI Fortune Lab, the channel where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, earn, and live. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make real money in 2025, even if you're just starting out. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, ChatGPT plus AIPRM. Everyone knows ChatGPT, but when you combine it with the AIPRM extension, it becomes a money-making machine. You can offer services like copywriting, email marketing, or SEO content on Fiverr or Upwork, and let ChatGPT do 80% of the work. AIPRM gives you ready-made prompts for business emails, blog posts, and ad scripts. You just edit, polish, and deliver. It's like having a full-time writer working for you, for free. Number 2, Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI lets you generate stunning images and product designs in seconds. People are already using it to sell wall art, t-shirt prints, YouTube thumbnails, and book covers on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. The key is niche targeting. Focus on one style, like motivational posters or pet art, and upload new designs weekly. Leonardo gives you unlimited creative power, no design skills required. Number 3, OpusClip. If you're into social media automation, OpusClip is gold. It takes long-form videos, from podcasts, webinars, or YouTube, and automatically creates short viral clips for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. You can use it for clients who want to grow their brand or to build your own faceless channel. It adds captions, highlights key moments, and formats everything in seconds. Easy money for editors, marketers, and creators. Number 4, Notion AI. Notion AI helps you create digital planners, templates, and productivity systems, which you can sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Thousands of people are buying ready-to-use Notion templates for work, habits, and goals. Just design a few, let Notion AI fill in the structure, and publish. Passive income made simple. Number 5, ElevenLabs. Yes, the same tool you're using right now. ElevenLabs lets you generate professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, and audiobooks. You can sell voiceover gigs or build entire faceless channels without ever recording a single word yourself. Combine it with tools like CapCut or Runway ML, and you can automate full video production. These 5 AI tools are not just cool, they're powerful income streams if you take action. Start small, experiment, and scale what works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to AI Fortune Lab. We post weekly content about AI tools, smart money, and future skills. See you in the next one.